Now in for review is the latest greatest S6 Max by Superbox. This is the newest Superbox that just hit the market. Be sure to stay tuned for my full review. If you decide at any point in time during this video that you want to make a purchase of this unit, please be sure to remember to click and expand the link below on this video description and get it from our sponsor, the direct manufacturer of this box. Don't settle for any clones, and be sure to take advantage of that 15% off exclusive savings directly from our sponsor, the manufacturer of this box. Now let's get into the details of the box. Of course, we're presented with the basic Superbox intro, which is always clean, always nice look. So as we try to go on with the review here, keep in mind that there's a lot of stuff here to cover in this unit. Of course, be sure to follow us over on Rumble because we go into really in depth on this review. So check out that link below to Rumble. You can back out to the home screen and look at the new user interface. I think it looks really clean. And now on to my review of this product. I give this product here 2 big thumbs up. I'm glad that they updated the UI interface. It seems like it has increased the performance of this unit, which is really shocking. So if you're having a hard time deciding which box you should get, this one has the time shift feature, and I think that's almost like a no-brainer. If this is something that you're interested in making a purchase, be sure that you get the exact item that I'm showing you here by clicking the link below. This is directly from the manufacturer of this product, and you will save 15% off using my direct link. Just apply the coupon code and check out, and be sure to get those extra savings as it's exclusive, and all of the are exclusive to this manufacturer down below. So I hope this review has helped you guys out. Please be sure to give us a like, give us a follow, sub here, go over to Rumble and check out the full video there unblurred. I'll catch you guys in my next video.